about years ago.
Yeah. And then you gonna stop here?
Yeah.
All right. To Werribee.
In one of his videos.
Yeah, just slow down.
Clemtravlog.
Good morning everyone, it's me again, Clem from clemtravlog. I'm with Gavin today. It's early in the morning on Saturday, 7:30. And today we're going to do our next level of training. The 80 kilometers training from Truganina to Lara. It's a loop. So currently we are riding on Hogan's Road. And we'll be heading to Werribee River Trail, and then it goes on Wyndhamville all the way to Bourbon Road, and then all the way to Little River, and then Lara, make a U-turn, come back on Old Melbourne Road, and then almost the same, following Federation Trail all the way back to Truganina. That's the Werribee River on my right hand side. Yeah, we did 10k already. Yeah. So this is the Riverside Historical Park of Werribee. And this is the Werribee view. That's where the irrigation starts here. Here on your right hand side.
Actually, we used to go to walk on that years ago.
Yeah. And then I think some
wall. Is that? We used to call it the wheel wall.
Yeah. Werribee View was built by George and William Sheffrey in the 1880s to provide water to irrigate the market gardens at Werribee South. So at the front this is a Shaw Bridge, which is Hips Road. We're gonna climb up there and then start to turn into Wyndhamville. Okay, crossing under Shaw Bridge. Morning.
Morning.
Ah, the end?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Let me go ahead so you can drop. So now we are riding on Bourbon Road towards Little River. So this road will be taking me around 10 kilometers. So look at the front, there's Yuyang! Woo! So we are roughly halfway at Bourbon Road before we head into Edgar Road, and then we'll be to Yuyang's Road. And we rode 20k's already. And first 20k we're having break, energy gel and banana. So now we are turning into Edgar's Road. -1 gradient going downhill. On my right hand side, this is Yuyang. Woo! Yuyang's Regional Park, are a series of granite ridges located on Werribee Plain, with its highest peak, Flinders Peak, at 390 meters. The name Yuyangs comes from the Aboriginal words Woody Yuyang, means big hill. So we already did 30 Ks. We're going to turn into Yuyang's route. And this is, at the front is the township of Little River. Okay, now we are in Yuyang's route, heading to Yuyang's. This river at the front is known as Little River, which is this town named after this river, Little River, because it is a little bit smaller than Werribee River. That's why they name it Little River. And the front is Yuyang, getting closer. Woo! Imagine you are riding inside Geelong area already. Yeah. So unreal, yeah? Look, so turn right to Package Marsh, turn left to Lara and Geelong, and we are turning left, heading to Lara. Woo! Once we turn into Farah's road, we only notice there's a road work in progress. This part of the road had turned into fine gravel. Although we are riding on road bike, detour is a big project. So we decided to take the risk of puncturing our tire and continue on this road towards Lara. I think they tried to upgrade this road, make it wider. You wanna stop here? Yeah. Alright. You wanna stop a picture, take a picture of the side? Alright. So we continue heading south. And look at Kevin, he's opening fire now. Let's get more comfortable. So start chasing him. And yep, we are heading to Lara now. Let's go! Alright, guess what? Halfway done! 40 Ks completed! Woo! Very nice! And we are actually almost to Lara Township, and we rode 1 hour and 49 minutes. Faster than what I expected. So average speed is now 21.9. We are started building up. As Kevin got more confident now, he's riding a lot faster. Alright, we are at the township of Lara. Lara was originally known as Duck Ponds until 1853. It was known as Duck Ponds since 1840s, described the nature of waterways and a plentiful fall in the area. Lara was thought to be a name derived from an Aboriginal word meaning stone or building of stones. Oh my god, man. Huh? I'm happy. This is the Lara station. You go straight, yeah? Just watch out. Now we are heading back to Truganina, riding towards Little River. 50 kilometers riding time, 2 hours and 11 minutes. Whew, 30 more to go. Okay, crossing Little River again, back into the Little River town. So now we are going to enter the township of Little River. Oh, here comes the train. Alright, we are getting into urban route. Yeah, man. Heading to Verbi. Oh, look at the blue sky. Oh my god. Is that bottle just a plain water or?
One's with electrolytes and one with normal water.
Oh, you should put both in with electrolyte.
Nah, I find that if I just have electrolytes, it gives me a dry mouth.
Verbi race course. Woo! Yeah, baby. Very nice. So this is how I like to design the route. Always hard at the beginning, easy at the back. Alright. So now we are in Federation Trail. Woohoo! Last attack back home.
A few minutes later.
You're Clem, right?
Yes.
I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos of yours.
Oh, thank you.
And thanks for guiding this.
Oh.
I think I have seen you as well. In one of his videos. The weird life.
That's nice. Thank you. Thank you for following.
Yeah, I've been following a lot of videos.
Right.
And,
lot of praise I got from these videos.
Ah, yeah.
That's nice to know. Alright, see you around.
See you around, yeah.
Yep.
And Clem, in case you are going on any short rides, please let me know.
Yeah.
Or something.
good,
Yeah.
Yeah, I can join you.
Yeah.
that was awesome.
Cool, nice.
The weekends is more
Nice!
Wow, this stuff was good. Met a friend, a subscriber of me, and we have a little bit of chat, staying right nearby me. So yeah, one day hopefully we can go for a ride together. Woohoo! Just a short one.
Every little thing is starting to hurt.
This is the last climb. And then turn right.
I remember we took photos.
Yeah! Nicely done. And then we are back in Truganina. What do you feel? 80Ks?
Good.
85K is like
Yeah, 85Ks. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah.
It was cool actually. We rode like faster than what we expected,
Yeah.
and we met a fan. Ooh,
Yeah, that's right.
that's
a
amazing.
fan, clemtravlog fan.
Yeah, or hot fan. Very good, man. I'm happy you enjoyed it.
No, it's good.
Yeah, we should do it again. Maybe I modify, make it all the way to Geelong one day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm up for that.
Yeah,
Easy.
sweet. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. And this is a training for Kevin, the longest ride for him outdoor, 80Ks.
Yeah.
Have you done more than
85. Nah, 67 was my longest.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Let's hopefully next one we can do 90 or 100. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Right.
Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe my channel, and share it to everyone. Leave a comment if you have any feedback for me.